This video is about strengthening the left hand, and it's called turtle races. What I'm going to do is put all 4 fingers on my lowest string, so viola's on C, violin's on G, in this finger pattern so that the middle 2 fingers are in a half step. And so I'm going to play the little scale from open G up to 4. Just do this all pizzicato. The turtle races start pizzicato. Later you can add the bow. When I get my 4 fingers in position, I want to check for tension. So I'm going to tap my thumb a few times and rock my elbow a few times to make sure that I don't have any extra tension going on in my arm, in my shoulder, or in my hand. So now what we'll do is what I call the easy way of turtle races. We're going to do 1 finger at a time, starting with finger number 4, moving over to the next string, while all the other fingers stay down. So I'm going to go this way, maybe you can see it better. First I'll start with the 4, and then I'm going to go over to the next string with my 4, and leave it there. Move the next finger over. Still sounds like the 4th finger, but this finger moved. Next, 2nd finger moves over. Still that same sound. 1st finger moves over. Same sound. Tap your thumb, rock your arm a little bit. Let's do the next string, all in a row, starting with 4. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep all fingers down except the one that's moving. Tap your thumb, rock your arm. Now let's do the last string. Tap, rock. Leaving your fingers on, now we're going to go back the other way. I'll do it from this angle this time. Instead of starting with 4 though, 4 is the more difficult way, we're going to start with the 1st finger going to the 2nd string, the A string for violins and the D string for violas. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap thumb, rock arm. Next string, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap thumb, rock the arm. And the last string, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap thumb, rock the arm. Okay, let's take a little break from that. Your arm should be a little tired. Your fingers are getting a workout now. Now let's keep that same finger pattern, and now we're going to do it with the opposite fingering. So I call this one the hard way. Let's go ahead and get all 4 fingers on the string. You can go up the scale. Tap the thumb, rock the arm. And now, instead of starting with the 4th finger going up, we're going to start with the 1st finger going up. So you have to make a good tunnel over that D string or G for violas. Here we go, starting with 1st finger. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap the thumb, rock the arm, and go to the next string. 1st finger. Tap thumb, rock arm, last string. Tap thumb, rock the arm. And now going back down, the harder way is starting with the 4th finger. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. So you hear again the same note because the 4 was first. And now the 3rd string. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. I forgot to say tap the thumb and rock the arm the last time. And you'll notice that as we go to the lower strings, the elbow comes farther and farther around. And the last string starting with 4. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tap tap the thumb, rock the arm, and that's our turtle races. You can see perhaps why it's called turtle races, because you want to do this very slowly to make sure that you keep your fingers all down except for the one that's moving. This will help strengthen your hand, and after you accomplish this finger pattern, you can do any other finger combinations that you like to do. Maybe this one, or perhaps this one, or all half steps. You choose. I hope you enjoyed doing turtle races, and it will help your fingering to be stronger.